Welcome back guys into my channel, and in this video I'm going to cover a very useful topic. That is, suppose you are going somewhere and you are seeing something and you want to buy it. You don't know the details, then how can you buy it and from which site you buy it? So if you find this video useful, please consider to subscribe this channel after watching this. So not wasting much of your time, suppose you are going somewhere. Suppose this you have seen somewhere and you want to buy it. Here the details are available, but somewhere you do not find the details. I will also show how can you buy it. So for that you will use Google Lens. In this video I will tell you how to use Google Lens by actually showing you. So just tap on this, means this right corner one symbol is there. We have to tap on that, and now switch on your camera. It will ask for some permission. Just click the photo here in search, or you can go to the shopping and click the photo. Okay, now it will show you, see what is the price, from where you can buy, everything it will tell. So this is first thing. And suppose you don't have any details, suppose you want to buy this, so you don't have details. Let's go, click it. Now go, it will tell. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you. Means buying can be so easy and interactive for you. Anything you can buy just by clicking a photograph. Go somewhere, click the photograph, and you will know about the price and the site from where you can buy that item. So if you have liked this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.